Let's have a quick look at one of the best deals on battery jump starters on the market. Now, this was sent to me at no charge so that I could check it out and share my opinion with you, but I got to tell you this, it checks all the boxes, including the fact that for no extra charge, you get a very nice case with it, which protects it from bouncing around in your car or truck. All right, here's what's in the box. The jump starter itself, a surprisingly sturdy carrying case, some heavy-duty cables to hook up to your battery, a USB charging cable, and an easy-to-follow manual. This thing doubles as a power bank, so if you have a power failure, you can charge anything up that plugs into a USB charging port, including your cell phone, tablet, or laptop. It even has a built-in flashlight, which comes with a strobe and SOS mode, just in case you're ever stuck on the side of the road at night. Now, to charge it, just use the included USB-C cable and plug it into any wall charger. Now, when it's go time and you need to jump start your car, you really can't mess up the connections. The cable block only plugs in one way, which is pretty much mistake-proof. Hook the red clamp to the positive terminal on the battery, then hook the black clamp to the negative terminal. Hit the power button on the booster and then start your car like you normally would. Now, once it's running, unclip the cables and you're back on the road. Now, this model packs some serious power, 3,000 amps. It can pretty much jumpstart any car, truck, or SUV, gas engines up to 10 liters and diesels up to 8. If your vehicle battery drops below 2 volts, don't worry, this jump starter can still get you going. Simply locate the boost button that you see on your screen and press it to initiate the jump start. I've tested a few of these, and this one really stands out. It's solid built, solid performance, and the price is one of the better ones I've seen. Now, honestly, it's a smart buy and not a bad gift either. Thanks for watching.